Hey, Andrew from Ozito. This is how to assemble your 2x18 volt cordless mower. Grab your handles, make sure you get the right one for the right side. Lock them off at the base. Make sure the square hole's facing out. Lock the other side off. Grab your locking levers, unscrew the bolts. It's easier if you can just put the bolt in one side. Then move to the other side of the handle. Grab your bolt and then your locking lever. Put the washer on, grab the locking lever, screw it on. You may need to adjust this a few times until you get it right. So if you've gone too far, you can back it off until you get it to clamp nice and tight. Go to the other side, put your washer on, your locking lever, do it up, adjust it until you get it nice and tight to the locked up position. Grab your cable clips and lock off your cable to the handle. Put one near the top and one near the bottom. Now what we need to do is put the catcher on. You will need a couple of batteries. This will take two 18 volt batteries. The great safety feature is it won't start without this key. Now you've got it together, you can get out there and mow those lawns. And if you need any more information, you can just leave a comment below.